Want to keep Zoom running smoothly with the latest features, performance improvements, and security updates? Updating Zoom on Windows only takes a few minutes. In this full guide, I'll show you exactly how to update Zoom on Windows in 2026. Start by launching the Zoom Workplace Desktop application on your Windows computer. If you're not already signed in, log in with your Zoom account. Once Zoom opens, click your profile picture in the upper right corner of the application window to access the account menu. From the menu, click Check for Updates. Zoom will automatically check whether a newer version is available. If an update is available, click Update to begin downloading the latest version. The download usually takes only a few minutes, depending on your internet connection. After the download finishes, Zoom will automatically install the update. The application may close and restart during the installation process. Once Zoom reopens, return to your profile menu and select Check for Updates again. If you're already using the latest version, Zoom will display a confirmation message. If the built-in updater isn't working, download the latest Zoom installer from the official Zoom website and run it. The installer will update your existing version without affecting your account or scheduled meetings. Keep Zoom updated regularly to receive the newest features, improved meeting performance, bug fixes, and the latest security patches. Enabling automatic updates when available helps ensure you're always using the latest version, and that's how to update Zoom on Windows in 2026. Keeping Zoom updated helps improve stability, enhances security, and gives you access to the latest collaboration features. Check for updates regularly so every meeting runs as smoothly as possible. Thanks for watching.